Hey guys, today I'm doing this video rather impromptu. I really didn't plan on doing that today. It's my day off and it's just kind of a dreary rainy day and I have bunches of other stuff that need to be taken care of. My little doggy, for instance, I'll show you him in a little bit. He had his little senior exam today, so I had to take time out to take him in, and he hates it. He absolutely hates the vet. I feel so bad when I bring him in because he's just like a basket case. Anyway, that's just the nature of this little breed, which is a Jack Russell Terrier. Anyway, all that aside, I've been feeling a little bit frustrated, I guess. I don't know of a better word to describe it except for a little bit of frustration. I want to be creative. I want to come in and create, and I feel like it's necessary, to practice and kind of hone your skills. But every time I come into my little studio, I just get agitated for some reason. And I know what it is deep down inside. I don't work well when things are kind of chaotic. Not that my studio is just a big giant explosion of paints and paper everywhere, but I feel like I get stuff set everywhere and then it just agitates me. That's all I can say. So today I wanted to focus on kind of calming down and breathing and coming into this space with a different attitude, with a calmer attitude. I put on some praise and worship music and I just started cleaning my space up, tidying up, putting things where they belong, cleaning my palette, and all of those things for me help me to kind of get back into that creative zone. I don't work well with clutter. And when things are cluttered around me, it just squashes my creativity. So that being said, I'm going to pick up the camera and show you around my little space and talk a little bit about how I've got it arranged. So hang tight, see me in the video, and we're going to take a little tour of Tracy Mode's video. Take a tour of Tracy Mode's studio. Okay, you guys, here is my humble little studio. It is about an 11, maybe 11 by 12 little bedroom. Used to be my daughter's room. There's Benny, you can see him. Hello, Benny. He's so excited. Anyway, that's where he hangs out when I'm inside painting and filming. And as you can see, it's very getting dark and it's just really raining out there. We had such a great fall. It was really sunshiny and 80 degrees up until last week. So anyway, I've got a little bathroom through that door, and back here I've just got my wall, and my little art chair goes up and down, and just some storage stuff. And I just got that little rack. I like that. I can see things and organize it a little bit better. All my paintbrushes, I don't need that air conditioner anymore. And then I have this 6-foot long table. That is what, my friends, gets very cluttered up. This is the clean version. I've put papers away and put paints away, and I actually cleaned it up. There's my little Robax palette. Cleaned it. Some artists don't like to clean their palette, but I find that it really helps me to just kind of reset. And a lot of times the paints get crumbly in there if I haven't used it. Even if I have used them, some colors just tend to get very crumbly. So I cleaned out a couple of the colors and refilled it with some fresh stuff. I just used cottage cheese containers. And then here's my little easel. Got my iPad that I use a lot for photo reference searches. I'm getting ready to maybe just do a little piece, a little Grace cup. I did a few of those last summer. It was quite fun. Then I have some closets. Oh, and these lights, I got these on Amazon. These are what's it called? Positan. I can't see it. Fositan. I'll link to it in the description. It's great. It's got these little dials on it. You can turn it up, get it really bright. You can get cooler light or warmer light depending on your needs. I like to have it really bright for when I'm painting. So I have 2 of those. They came in a set, and the stands go up and down, and you see my little tape all over the place. I don't like to throw away tape if I can reuse it. So then I've got a little light here that I've had actually this for many, many years. Just got the ring light, whoops, right there, ring light, and there's a little phone holder so I can videotape straight down. Another light there, lamp, don't ever use that magnifying glass, and a closet there, a shelf there, closet there. That closet space is full of art stuff. Then I've got my printer and an old dresser, and I keep papers and printer papers and all of that good stuff in there. So just wanted to show you a little bit of my studio and where I work and who is with me, keeping me company. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and we will see you in the next video when I'm actually doing some painting. Bye-bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed Tracy Mode's studio tour, and that's just my way of resetting and recalibrating and refocusing and all that good stuff that we need to do when we feel that we're in a rut or we're agitated or just lacking creativity or feeling discouraged. I mean, truthfully, we all get discouraged. It doesn't matter what stage of the game you're in. There is always going to be little niggling thoughts of discouragement, and I'm not good enough, and I can't do this. What am I here for? Get those thoughts out of your mind. Relax. Get a breath. Get a brush. And start painting whatever with no pressure. Just leave all of those thoughts behind and just slap some paint down. And I think that you will just find yourself feeling refreshed. So hope that is encouraging to you, and we'll see you in the next video when I'm actually painting something. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.